Hello students. Today we are going to start the second part of the chapter relation and function, that is the function. And as per the further reduced syllabus, in this chapter the entire thing is deleted. Only we have to study about the types, only we have to study about two types of function, that is the one-to-one function and on-to function. Okay, so before going that, let us see what is a function. See, any relation between two variables is called a function. In mathematics, we use different type of function. Suppose I say y is equal to x, y equal to x square, y equal to x square plus 5, y equals to sin x, y equal to log x, y equal to e to the power x. Okay, these are all different types of function. There are algebraic function, there are trigonometric function, there are exponential functions, there are logarithmic functions, there are different types of function we study in mathematics. We have modulus function, we have signum function and many more. Okay, so now what actually is function? So if such that a to b is a function, then f associated with an element set A. So function associates all the element of set A to the element in set B. Means all the elements of set A are associated with the elements of set B. How? Such that more than one elements A may have same image in B. So what are the, now we are going to see what is the characteristics and what are the restrictions of a relation to be a function. Every relation cannot be a function. So there are some characteristics, there are some that a relation should follow to become a function. First point is that more than one element of A may have the same image in B. Okay, that is called many one function. Means suppose you say y equal to x square. Okay, now if you take the value of x as 2, then y will be 4. And again if you take the value of x as minus 2, then also the value of y will be what? 4. So because we know that 2 square and minus 2 square both are 4. So that is one function. But there are some possibilities. Okay. So first thing is that more than one elements of A may have the same image in B. Okay, that is one. But each element of B is of some element of, is the image of some element of B, A. Okay, so element of B is an image of the element of A. There may be some elements, in B which are not the image of the element of A. Okay, now you will find some element in B which are not associated with any elements of A. That is okay, that is called the into function. So here, so what is the main thing? Let me sum up that every element of A must have an image in B. Now more than two elements of A can have the same image, that is also applied. But it is not possible that one element of A will have two images in B. Means a function can be many one, but a function cannot be, never be one many. That is not possible. That two elements of A, one element of A is having two images. This is not possible. So each element of B, now elements of B may have image in A. Now and also there are some elements that do not have any image in A. Okay. Let us go to the types of function given in our syllabus. Okay, first is one function. Okay, first is what? One function. So if AB is called 1, what is the meaning? See, A1 is the image of B2, A2 B3, A3 B3 single, and this is extra. So this is usually every element is having a single image, that is called one-to-one function. Okay. And many one, although it is not in a syllabus, still let me explain you what is the meaning of many one. See, A1 and A3 both are having the same image, B2. The image of A1 is also B2. The image of A3 is also B2. As I gave you example, suppose the function is y equal to x square. So if you keep here x minus 2, you will get 4, and if you keep here plus 2, you will also get 4. So this is the example of many one. Okay, means more than one element of A are having the same image in B. That is called many one function. So how to check whether the function is one or many one? See, first of all, you take any two arbitrary number a1, a2 in the domain of the function, that is in which domain the function is defined. And if you put fa1 equal to fa2, you will write fa1 equal to what? fa2, and simplify the equation. Now if you get that if you on putting fa1 equal to fa2, you are getting a1 equal to a2, then it means it is onto. And if you are getting some other value, then it is what? That is, it is 1 and if you are getting some other value, it means that it is not 1. Okay, let us cite an example. Determine whether the function f to be fx is equal to 4x plus 7 is 1. So what we are doing, fx is given 4x plus 7. So let us take any two arbitrary numbers in the domain of the function x1 and x2 such that fx1 equals to fx2. Now what is fx1? 4x1 plus 7. What is fx2? 4x2 plus 7. So if from this relation 7 will cancel, 4 will cancel, you will easily land up with x1 equal to x2, which means that the function is 1. Now let's come to the other part, onto function. See, a function is said to be onto if every element of B is the image of at least one element of A. Okay, so if every element of B is associated with at least one element of A, means there is no such element of B which is not an image of any element of A. All elements are occupied, all elements are used up. Then we say that the function is what? Then we say that the function is onto. Okay, then we say that the function is what? Onto function. But see, in this case, here we are having y1, here we are having y4. These are not image of any element of A. These are not image of any element of A. Then what we'll say? That these are not onto function. So onto function means every element should be used up. Okay. So now whenever they will give you to prove that, okay, now how to method to check whether the function is onto or not. So this is the function, put y equal to fx. Now you see that for is there any value of x that will not give you a value of y? If it is so, then it means that the function is not onto. Okay, and if the function is both 1 and onto, then we say bijective function. A function is said to be, because this term may come in the exam, so that the function is bijective. If you don't know the meaning, then what is this? So a function is said to be bijective if it is both 1 and onto. Okay, so this, see, all 1 single related, and there is no extra element in B. Onto means there should be no extra element. As you can see here, y1, y4, these are extra element. So here there should be no extra element. So that is called onto function. Okay. Acha. Now let's come to here. So that the function fx equal to 4x cube plus 7 is a bijection, means it is both 1 and it is onto. Okay, in the domain is the real number. So see, let's start. Fx equal to this. So as I told you, let us choose two arbitrary numbers x1 and x2 in the domain of the function such that fx1 equals to fx2. It means that fx1 means what? 4x1 cube plus 7, and if we solve it, you will easily get that x1 equal to x2. Okay, so x1 equal to x2 means that the function is 1. Okay, so if we do the calculation, we will get that the function is what? Function is a 1-to-1 function. So this part is proved. As I told you, let me explain again. We have chosen two numbers x1 and x2 in the domain of the function, and and we have assumed that fx1 equal to fx2. So this calculation will easily give that x1 is equal to x2. Okay, this means that the function is 1 to 1 onto function. Acha. Now let us see y equal to, let us take this function as y. So y equal to 4x cube plus 7. So here x is cube is what? Y minus 7 by 4, and x is equal to y minus 7 by 4. Now see which is a real number. So there is no such number in y that will make this impossible. Okay, so there is no such number in y that will make this impossible. So every real number here, any value of x will give you y will give you some result, any value. See here denominator is no any 0 or any y function that may become undefined. No. So for whatever value you to take here, 1, 2, 3, whatever, this is not cube root, this is not square root. So doesn't matter whether the y minus 7 is negative or positive, here it is given square root. So no problem of negative or positive, any number will give you the value of x. So y can have any result. So that means that the function is a onto function. Okay, some other sums I am giving, you please note it down.